Today I'm restoring my S15 headlights. This is how they currently look. They're pretty faded out, so we're gonna fix that today. You see all that yellow, gooky, nasty stuff? Let's start with 400, 1,000, and then 2,000. I just finished with the 400, and it's supposed to be this white, hazy, scary looking thing. So now we're gonna go in with 1,000 grit. Now I'm gonna go in with the clarifying compound and put it all over the lens. I went in with a polisher just to get a better result, and I used a cutting compound and then a polishing compound, and so far that's the result I've got. So I just finished buffing and polishing. I'm missing the last step, which is the UV block clear coat, and I'm gonna apply that right now. So this is the day after, and it's fully cured. I'm honestly really amazed by the results that I got from a little DIY kit, although I would suggest to buff and polish with a machine just to get a better result. But overall, I give it a 10 out of 10. It was easy, anyone can do it. After editing, I realized I didn't put a before and after, so here you go. There's my masterpiece.